next one up is this Benelli TRK 702 adventure bike. This is in for a little Trott TLC. Unfortunately, the gentleman had washed it himself. He used some car cleaning products which said they were safe, but it has stained these wheels, taken the gloss away from bits of these wheels. So we're going to get it all cleaned up. Got a little rust here and there on these discs. We'll clean all that up. I've just removed the belly pan so as to get access to this exhaust. I will polish all that up, and then we'll mist it with some XCP. You can see all these nuts and bolts are just going a bit white there. Doesn't take long, especially with these cheaper bikes. They the quality of the nuts and bolts isn't quite as good as the Jap stuff, so they definitely need some protection. So the XCP will neutralize any corrosion that's on there and prevent any further. So we'll get it all cleaned up, get that center stand all clean, get that exhaust all minted, and then we'll get it in on the ramp, and I'll mist it with some XCP. We'll brush some on all these little nuts and bolts, and I think need that extra little bit of care. I'll do some machine polishing on that windscreen. What a neat bit of kit. Benelli 702. Fully loaded. Okay, she's been thoroughly washed, decontaminated and degreased. Now I'm gonna polish these, see if I can polish these wheels. Like I said, they've lost their glossiness to them, whatever cleaner he used. Before we apply any XCP, I'm gonna give those a bit of a polish, then we'll polish that exhaust up, and then we'll mist it with the XCP. Coming along nicely. These wheels, such a shame, really taking the gloss off. Hopefully a bit of wax will improve that before we apply any sort of XCP. Okay, Benelli 702 TRK has now been fully trotted. This had one of our full Monty valets. Unfortunately, these rims are a little bit stained. I did try polishing the best I can. We've misted them with some XCP. All the bash plates been refitted, all the exhaust is polished. Engine, everything's had a nice coating of XCP corrosion protection, as well as all those nuts and bolts on the back. Little single stage polish on the windscreen, and the bodywork looking sweet. Ready for the summer ahead. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.